Hey everybody, we're back. Sorry for the break there. We were having technical difficulties, but now we're all set, and we got this my power supply ready now.
Yep, and so this one's gonna, you want the fan to exhaust out of the PC, so you don't want the hot air going back in. So in this case, there's a spot down on the bottom to exhaust all the heat. So we're gonna put the fan facing down, and you definitely want the plug here for the AC plug outlet to be facing outwards, and all the component power spots to be facing in. So we're gonna have to face it this way in the computer. So put it down in here to the spot where it goes, and then we're just gonna put some screws on. Don't know how well you're gonna be able to see me screwing this, but basically there's just 4 screws that hold it in place.
Yeah, how about we just turn it on its side once you're done with that?
Yeah, I can show it to the camera once I get these screws going, because we can't really do it any other way right now.
Sorry if you can't see some things sometimes. Like my tech guy just said, yeah, it's very hard to show it while you do it, because you have to be at the angle where you could see it. But it's very hard to have it at the where the angle of the camera can see it and you can see it.
After I get a couple of the screws, and I'll tip it over so you can see. Okay, so I've got 2 of the screws already in here. There's the 2 that I put right now. So basically what we're looking at is just, you got 4 different holes and 4 screws, and you just need to get all the screws in there to hold the power supply in place. And that is really all you gotta do to get that set up. And then you can move on to the next step of getting all the proper cabling and everything. But we'll get to that in the next video, because that's it for actually installing the power supply into the case itself.
Well, okay. You heard him, everyone. This was a nice short video for this. So, yeah, see you in the next video.